Boom.
Ethan, you know that's on YouTube.
The whole world will see this one.
This is gonna be good. This is gonna
Watch out,
be
Don.
good.
That was good. Okay, let's get the next one. Let's get the next one while I got it rolling.
All right.
Dad, I was opening my mouth and it got in my throat.
That was awesome.
It got in my throat. It got in my eye. It got in my throat.
I don't want to lose all my battery here.
I got in my throat and I just swallowed it.
Okay, we're gonna get.
Yeah, we got a
I got
potato.
some banana in
There's a potato. Watch out.
This won't do much. Potatoes usually.
Gallagher, eat your heart out.
I'm gonna back up for this one, and this is gonna be good. Exploding.
Exploding potato coming up. Let's see what this will do.
Does it?
This is probably some of the best stuff I think I've seen in a while.
What?
We're gonna be good cooking some more.
M500 in there.
Yep.
Here it comes. Watch out. Ethan, scoot back. This one will be probably get you. I'm probably going to get nailed by a potato here. Ah! Oh, that potato. Ah.
That was fly gagging.
Hey, don't be pulling these out, Buster. These are.
Those are $500 a piece.
No.
Let's blow up a strawberry. Yeah, let's blow up a strawberry.
We can go for the other banana?
Now we gotta do an exploding apple.
Oh, apple. Okay, that'll be good.
All right.
Oh, I was hoping you're going to use that tomato.
Yes.
Well, we'll do one tomato now.
We'll do a tomato.
Cabbage?
Here,
I mean
Ethan,
broccoli?
Don't
Exploding
throw these
broccoli?
around, buddy.
That's gonna be awesome.
Ethan, put it down.
Go see.
Tomato.
Come here, babe.
Tomato. Oh yeah. Exploding broccoli. Exploding apples. Ooh, we got more applesauce.
Okay, tomato time.
Banana.
Oh, the tomatoes want to be. Ethan, move.
Watch out, Ethan.
Watch out, Ethan. It's going to get in my hand. This is going to be a big one. I'm stuck in this tree because of that.
Okay, let's make sure we stay out of the shot, Don. Just make sure you get it lit, and I'm probably going to be a mess by the time this is done.
There it goes.
I'll have to get new clothes for sale.
So much.
Oh, wow.
Tomato juice.
That's what remains right there.
Get on your
A little bit.
Oh, you want to have some of that on your hamburger?
Oh.
Put it in the trash.
I did like the.
Please tell me we're going to blow up a strawberry.
Where's?
Oh, applesauce. Let's do applesauce.
Yeah, the applesauce is fun.
Now, this will bring new meaning to crisscross applesauce.
Yeti. Does the applesauce make a mess? Yeah.
Well.
You did a little bit.
These things are strong. It broke off the plastic.
Here it comes.
Exploding applesauce.
Watch out, Olivia.
Here we go.
Exploding applesauce. Watch out.
Applesauce.
I'm over here.
Applesauce shrapnel all over the place. Coming up. Oh, wow. Wow.
See how strong it is? Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
Look it. It's a strong.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
It got in my eye. Let's explode some blocks.
Okay.
Oh my god, broccoli!
Broccoli shrapnel coming up. Broccoli.
Are you okay? You okay? Gotta be careful, buddy.
The best shrapnel is the healthy shrapnel.
Broccoli.
The best blowing up food in the world! Woo!
Oh, that was.
We should sing Dana Carvey's broccoli song. Broccoli. Broccoli. Broccoli.
It's not going. Broccoli, come to the blow up.
Okay, coming up. Broccoli shrapnel.
Broccoli haters.
The broccoli haters finally get their vengeance.
All right, broccoli haters will love this.
I think the whole thing will come right at me. Ouch.
Those were all your broccoli haters! It's a steaming piece of broccoli. That's one way to cook your broccoli.
Steamed broccoli.
Yeah, that's one way to cook your broccoli raw!
No, don't put it on the mouth. Put it in the trash bag.
That's one way.
This is how Les Stroud, the Survivor Man, cooks his broccoli.
Yep, we got.
A peach.
Yep, exploded.
Oh, can I eat one of these?
You don't really want to.
No,
Though.
it's okay.
Exploding peach?
Yep.
We only explode non-bitten fruit and vegetables.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, Ethan, put it back, please.
I'm gonna get one of my Hey guys, we're gonna blow up on my spy gas.
Here we go. You have to put a little hole
Oh, yeah.
inside the fruit.
Here's my.
Ethan.
here's
You
my
put the
spy
M500
gas.
in there. It's all right.
Oh,
M5000, not 500. Okay. Wow, that almost sounds really lethal.
Dad, did you take the? Oh yeah, you did.
Okay, for all you people, if you want to do this, I recommend you do it with an adult around, but please do it at home. It's really fun. Watch out, Olivia. Watch out.
Peaches, this is
Coming up.
for you. Which I don't think anyone hates peaches unless you're a baby.
Raquelita.
Watch out, Raquel.
Oh, here it comes, here it comes. Boom! Oh! Did you see how far that thing blast?
Oh my goodness.
Who got it?
Look at that. Let me see it.
All right.
Burnt peach.
I caught it.
Apple time.
Apple time.
Apple time.
Dun, 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 dun. Ba-dum, ba-dum. Apple time. Dun, 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 dun. Ba-bum, ba-bum.
Guys, I do hate apples. Guys, by the time I get to that tree, it'll go like. I do hate apples.
There we go.
All right. Let's see. Let's take a look at it. M500. M5000. All right. Watch out. We saw applesauce explode. I think this will turn it into applesauce. Oh, that was weak. Oh, you know that split it almost right in half.
That's a good way to That's a good way to cut an apple. Yeah.
We'll slice our fruit that way the next time, Marcia.
Yeah, slice the fruit that way, and then you're gonna pay the consequences.
Okay, we don't have much left.
All right.
Another banana and some cornbread. The cornbread's good.
Cornbread was fun.
Cornbread's a fun one.
Uh-huh.
Why can we explode the black cat? I'm going up in the tree. Is this recording?
Not now.
Maybe that's not recording, but this is. It really is.
Hey!
You should put this to some really good music.
What? Some Weird Al. Some Eat It.
All right.
Cornbread everywhere. Look, there's a piece of cornbread right there. Yeah, I saw that
All right.
Want to get me on this chair?
All right. Time to blow up some cornbread.
Watch out, Ethan. Cornbread time. Here it comes.
I'm lucky I didn't get
Boiling
it.
cornbread.
How about we make a smoke bomb? Make that apple make smoke in it.
All right. We gotta be about done.
Alright, who wants some more banana peels on their head? Not me.
That's for somebody to eat, I
We'll
think.
finish with the banana and then that's it.
Oh, Dad. Can we do an exploding peas?
No, I bought a couple to eat.
Banana time.
Banana time. Woo! Too bad we can't do a tomato. Does banana make a mess? Yeah. Oh yay! There's a banana here in my ear. Guys, a rock would make a mess. This is good. Good. How long have you had it? Because it almost got in my eye last time. Black spot.
All right. I want to get a closer video. So my camera.
Here we go. Here's a video. Somebody taking a video.
I can't wait. Yes, someone take the video.
Nope, not gonna work.
Need a heavier box. Obviously.
You could hang it down from the tree.
There we go.
It'll trigger all the parachutes.
Who wants to build you? This is gonna make your phone blow up.
All right.
Hopefully no short
Exploding banana.
circuits. Exploding banana time.
Ethan, back up.
Put the banana on the lens in a second. Watch.
Who wants some bad banana peels? I bet nobody.
Dud.
I'm a little bit afraid to.
Yeah, go on.
Boom!
It's like the banana prayed that it wouldn't die.
Give it a minute. All right.
It's kind of reminds me of exploding.
It's just a really slow fuse, Don.
I don't know. I think it's a dud. What have we gone off
Hey, just
now?
grab it. See what happens.
We're good right now. Okay.
Let's just do another one.
Yeah, okay.
Here's a better one.
Okay.
You could just light the short fuse, Don.
No, I don't think I'm going to do that.
I hope this one goes. Then Uncle Don. Then Uncle Don.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Restart it.
And then I'm gonna start it. There we go.
Whatever. Whichever.
All right.
Whichever it is.
Exploding banana, take two. There we go.
Ugh.
Your iPhone.
Pants.
Oh, yeah.
I had a little accident.